As the question says, the pulleys in figure are identical, each having a radius r and moment of inertia I. Find the acceleration of the block M. Let us suppose that this string is actually moving downwards with the acceleration a. So this block is having an acceleration a in the downward direction. And since these pulleys have some moment of inertia I, this means that they are not massless, then the tension in all the three parts will be different. So let us take them as T1, T2 and T3 respectively. So now this will be moving down. This will be therefore rotating anti-clockwise, and the same case for this also. So let us frame the equation for block 1, that is this one. We can write it as mg minus T1 is equals to mass into acceleration, right? Marking it as equation number 1. Let us now frame the equation for this pulley, for which we can write it down as T1 minus T2, because acceleration is downwards, so it will be having an anti-clockwise angular acceleration. So we will be taking a net force according to that only, right? Into the radius r equals to I into alpha, and alpha is a by r, giving us T1 minus T2 equals to IA by r square. Marking it as equation number 2, let us frame the equation for the second pulley, that is this one, for which we can write it as T2 minus T3 into r equal to IA over r, giving us T2 minus T3 equals to IA by r square, marking it as equation number 3. Now let us frame the equation for this block of mass small m. So we can write it as T3 minus mg equals to ma, and marking it as equation number 4. Now let us first add the equation 2 and 3, from which we get T1 minus T3 to be 2IA over r square, and mark it as equation number 5. Now let us add the equation first and fourth. Now what we are doing is just to solve these 4 equations. These are the major 4 equations, else we are going to solve them. So now let us add first and fourth, from which we are getting minus mg plus mg plus T3 minus T1 equals to ma plus ma, and let us mark it as equation number 6. Now let us put the value of T3 minus T1 from equation number 5 into equation number 6. So as we get mg minus mg equals to ma plus ma plus 2ia by r square. Now this gives us actually the acceleration equal to m minus m into g over m plus m plus 2I by r square.